So this kit I call the oh crap kit. Now, this little kit isn't built for survival. This is kind of built for a bad day at work, bad day at the office, bad day at home, you misplace something. This is kind of a little kit that I put together, and hopefully it can help you when you're losing your mind some days because, I know I'm always misplacing something or I'm always losing something. So hopefully this little kit can help you not lose your mind that day and keep some important things on hand. This is something you can leave in the hutch at the house or take a spare little oh crap bag with you on the road. So that way, if you happen to misplace something, you got a little something extra on hand. And I guess real quick, I'll just tell you the pouch. This is the Vanquest PPM 2.0 Slim. This one's in Coyote Tan, and it also comes in a couple other colors. It comes in a black, it comes in a red color, so you can pick and choose whatever color you want. It's a pretty slim profile case. It's got that real good 1000D nylon, and it's coated, so it's going to be a little water resistant. Not waterproof, but water resistant. And I was just going to go over the pouch real quick, so get that out of the way before I open it up. But this has the really good YKK zippers on it, so it's gonna, they're gonna open and close with ease, no problem there. And it comes with got the little pull tab on the back. It's got the MOLLE attachment, so you can attach it to your bag, or if you just want to put some Velcro and put a nice hook and loop and just stick it to something, this will be good for that as well. It's got the pull tab. It's got the little hook and strap in the front, so you can put a patch on it and make it your own, however you want to do it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in the oh crap kit. And it's just gonna zipper open. This is a nice little clamshell style pouch. So inside the oh crap kit, actually, well, let's do the most important oh crap moment. You need some money and you don't have any. I always keep right up front in the front pouch, first thing to accessible, just a $20 bill. That should get you out of a tight situation, because I can't tell you how many times we go hiking at the state park and we pull up and we don't have any cash to pay to get in, because some of the parks around where we live at, they charge you like $2 or $3 to get in for the day. Some of them are $8 per car. So I keep a $20 bill or a $10 bill, or if you got those big bucks, you can keep hundreds in the front, but that's not me. But that's a good little thing to keep up in the front compartment. You pull up, oh crap, I don't have any money. You have this on you, you have money. And then inside, I keep a variety of different things, lots of different stuff you have an oh crap moment. You need your sunglasses need tightened, or your glasses need tightened, or your knife needs tightened. You got a nice little mini bit kit right here. It's just a little, I think I got this off Temu for $1.50, and it's a nice little screwdriver set, holds all your bits and pieces in it. And yeah, this is a good little addition to your oh crap kit. You need to tighten something, you need to loosen something, and this has multiple little size bits in it, and it keeps everything nice and organized inside. And then, you always have a pen, always have a marker. This is the Milwaukee permanent marker, and then this is just the Zebra X701 pen. If you follow my channel and know me, you know I love me some Zebra. I mean, you can replace this with a Sharpie or whatever you want to choose to permanent marker. I mean, they're both going to do just fine. These were just happened to be on sale, and I grabbed a stack of them. And then flashlight, good to have. This is the Through Night Archer Mini. It's a good little flashlight, nice and bright. On and off. No memorizing a bunch of different functions or anything like that. Just a good little oh crap emergency flashlight on hand. And you have a headache, keep a little pill container, keep some Tylenol in there. You don't always have them on the road with you, so if you just happen to have a little oh crap kit, you got some Tylenol, you got some flashlights, some pens, some markers. And then back here, this is another very important one. This is a spare phone charger. I always keep one of these on me because you never know when your battery is going to die, or I can't tell you how many times my flashlight has been turned on in my pocket for a long hike or a drive, and I get back or get to where we're going and my phone's dead. So little charging cable, USB-C. I usually keep, I forget what this one's called. I think it's a USB-A, but as of lately, most of the time I found that most places have this one as opposed to the USB-C to USB-C. So, I always keep another one with me in my main bag, but if you don't have your main bag, a lot more places have this one than they have the C to C. So that's why I picked this one. So hopefully that helps. And then inside of here, I have a Ridge. It's got a little keychain attachment, and you can take that off if you want. I keep a little SIM tool, or I keep 2 SIM tools actually. I didn't realize there was 2 on here, but if you need a SIM tool, need to change a SIM card, that's good. And then I also have a Ridge wallet. The Ridge wallet keychain. So this can tighten that up and loosen that up if you need to. And this also makes a good little flathead screwdriver if you need a flathead screwdriver for any type of emergencies. And then over here was what that made me decide to make this pouch. And as you can see, my key fob broke and I lost it and I didn't know where it went. I couldn't find it anywhere. I searched and searched and searched and couldn't find it anywhere. But I eventually did find it. But if I had a spare key fob and a spare set of keys in my little oh crap kit, it would have made getting into my car a lot more simpler. So, spare set of car keys. I keep one for my car, one for her car. That way, if either one of us loses a car key, they're right here in the oh crap pouch. I keep a binder clip in there because, you know, you never know. You need to clip something down, clamp something down. You got some paperwork you don't want to blow all over the place. You can just clamp it into the binder clip and then you're good to go with that. And then I keep a little nylon cord because you never know, you might need to tie something up or tie something down, or if you just need to hang something up, you can just take this paracord, you can cut it to whatever size you need it to, you can use it however you need to do it. I don't use the paracord too often, but I have been in multiple situations where I'm like, hey, you know what? Some paracord or nylon rope might be a little bit useful. And then, as typical in almost every kit that I have, is the good old Dollar Tree Band-Aid kit. I know everybody's probably tired of seeing it, but I can't tell you again. I can go on and on. This thing is great. It's $1.25. It comes with multiple Band-Aids, your alcohol wipes, everything you need for that oh crap moment if you get a little cut or nick or something like that. And I think that's pretty much everything that I have in here. So hopefully this helps somebody. Like I said, the keys are the reason I made this little video and made this pouch, because I can't tell you how many times I misplace my keys and I just need to run out to the car and grab something, or run out to the truck and grab something, and then I'm not going to put it all back exactly together, but there we go. Oh, wait a minute, I had the flashlight over here. But I can't tell you how many times I've gone to get stuff out of the car. These elastic bands are nice and tight, so they're going to keep everything nice and secure. Nothing's going to be sliding all over the place. I can't tell you how many times I've gone out to the car, I've gone out to wherever, and I misplaced my car keys, or misplaced something, or you have a headache on the road and you don't have any Tylenol, get a nick and cut. I think this is a good little oh crap pouch to keep on you at all times. So if there's anything you guys think I should add or take away to it, I'm always open to hearing some new ideas, because you can never be too prepared for an emergency. And I think this little fun kit was a good little put together. Yeah, I didn't do too good of a job of winding that rope back up, but yeah, I mean, once it's in the pouch, it's gonna zipper close nice and easy. It's not overly bulky. It zips nice and tight. It's very slim profile. And yeah, if you're looking for a good little oh crap kit, you you can't go wrong with this one. It's nice, small, skinny. It's I think this one's 4x6, so you're not going to take up too much space in your bag or your vehicle console. So let me know what you guys think, and if it's something you guys would be interested in carrying, or what you would add or take away from it, because I'm open ears. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you had a good weekend, and hopefully you have a good week and weekend ahead. Have a good one.